alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Insha'Allah ta'ala, today we will analyze the 8th ayah of Surah Mulk. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Now this ayah begins with the word takadu. Now this is very simple, very easy. Give your ta 1 count, give your kaf 2 counts, and your dal 1 count. Takadu. Okay, coming to the word tamayyazu. Now even this is simple. What do you have to do? Give your ta 1 count, keep it light. Then for the meme, your meme joins with the ya. Now here your ya is mushaddad. So whenever the ya is mushaddad, what do you have to do is you have to actually raise the voice over here. There's a rule which is known as nabr, but don't need to worry about that. What will you do is run your ya sakina, which is hidden in this ya mushaddad, and at the same time raise your voice. Okay, tamayya, tamayya, zadu mazu, tamayyazu, right? Tamayyazu. Okay, coming to this word over here, these 2 words. Now, minal wayl. Now, what will you do? You will keep your meme light, give it 1 count, and then your noon joins with the lam, and your lam shouldn't bounce. Don't read it like minala. No, it should be minal. Okay, and then wayl. Now, what will you do? Your ghain will be heavy, your lean will stay light, oy, and then your wa at the end should run. Keep it heavy and run it. Okay, run that sound. You hear that sound? I'm just exaggerating it a little bit so that you can understand it. Okay, so your wa at the end should run. Okay, keep it like heavy and run it. Now coming to next part, which is kullama ulqiya. Everything is very easy. Just you have to take care of the counts. That's all. Kaf will join with the lam. Kulla. Meme over here is given 4 counts. Kullama ulqiya. Join your dhamma with the lam. Join your hamza with the lam. Ulqiya. Okay, your qaf should be without air. Qi. Ulqiya. Fiha. Give it 2 counts. Fawjun sa'alahum. Now here your fa is with waw lean. So read your lean complete. Do not read it incomplete. Okay, it should be fawjun sa'alahum. Now the rule over here is ikhfa, which is hiding of your noon. Okay, so hide your noon over here, and the gunna here should be light. Fawjun sa'alahum. The meme at the end should be given moderate timing. Do not bounce your meme. Then here the kha should be with the bubbling sound. Khazanatuha. Okay, khazanatuha. All the letters are 1 count. Coming to the ha, this ha will be 4 counts. Okay, khazanatuha alam. Okay, alam. Right, simple, easy. And then yatikum. Now here you see this hamza sakina. Whenever hamza is sakin, what you have to do is you have to read it with a jerk, because the makhraj of hamza is very strong. So whenever it is sakin, like if you do not read it with that jerk, your hamza is not identified. So this is because of the makhraj of hamza. Okay, it should be yatikum. Okay, and then Nazir. Okay, your noon should be light. Your zal should be from its proper makhraj. That is, the tip of your tongue will touch the edges of the front teeth, and your ra will stay light. Okay, practice well with the shaykh, inshallah ta'ala. Jazakumullahu khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.